Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix CS2 crashing, freezing mid-game, and other stability issue.
Fix 1. Restart Steam and verify game files. Step 1. Close CS2 completely. Step 2. Exit Steam from the system tray. Step 3. Reopen Steam. Step 4. Go to Library CS2 Properties. Step 5. Click Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Step 6. Wait for Steam to repair missing or corrupted files. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Step 2. Check for updates. Step 3. Download and install the latest driver. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Clear shader cache. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type %local app to %. Step 2. Open the NVIDIA, AMD, or Steam folders. Step 3. Delete the shader cache folder. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 4. Lower in Game Graphics Settings. Step 1. Open CS2 Settings. Step 2. Set texture quality, shadows, and effects to low. Step 3. Turn VSync off. Step 4. Enable multi-core rendering. Step 5. Enable NVIDIA Reflex/AMD Anti-Lag optional.